KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own Chick Fil A sauce. It's really easy to do and it tastes amazing, just like the real deal. Alright, let's get on with it. Right, so into a little bowl I'm going to add in about 1/3 of a cup's worth of mayonnaise. I like to use a real eggy mayonnaise. It's up to you. Use your favourite mayonnaise. Right, so about 1/3 of a cup. Put that straight in just like that. Right, this is not going to take very long at all. And we're going to get 2 tablespoons worth of barbecue sauce. Right, just whatever barbecue sauce that you like. And we're also going to add in a good heaped tablespoons worth of Dijon mustard. That goes straight in just like that. Okay, no rocket science on this one, really easy to do. Alright, and around about a tablespoon's worth of honey. I'm just using a store-bought one. I do have a mate that has his own hives and has amazing honey, but I think it would get lost in this. And around about a teaspoon's worth of fresh lemon juice. Right, all you have to do now is give all of that a good stir. I'm going to use a baby whisk just to make things more interesting, and before you know it, you've made your very own Chick Fil A sauce that you can put on whatever you like. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like the video, hit the like button, leave a comment, please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media, and hit that notifications bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. I need to go use this Chick Fil A sauce on another recipe. Anyway, I will catch you next time. Bye.